it in a mess. But this is my outfit, I'm sure. This outfit is just this normal t-shirt with the Purex logo, and then some regular jeans, but we're gonna put on ballet flats, and this is the makeup. Look, y'all know I don't really like makeup, but yeah, that's what we have going on. So I'm in a bit of traffic. Y'all don't judge me. Don't really like makeup. I'm looking like a hot mess, I know. Or else fussy, stinky. Gross, I'm looking gross. So this was a me. Just on bed, not on eat. Yeah. Face is free of makeup, you know. So I got some goodies. I decided to treat myself today. Look at what I have, look at what I have. It is a donut with filled cream cheese. I'm gonna take a little piece of it. I'm not gonna eat a lot right now. I'm gonna have a little piece of it, and then I just like watching a show right now. After that, I'm going to read and then just sleep because I have work tonight, as I mentioned before. I am so sleepy earlier. Oh my goodness. I'm just so tired. It's like it's still like 5 right now. And now I'm going to get some shut eye. So that, oh my goodness. Y'all ever been in a position where you're just like extremely exhausted and sleepy, but you can't sleep? That's me right now. But yeah, good night. So it is now like 8:10, and I am so tired still. I still didn't get enough rest. Decided to now get up because I just want to like relax myself a little bit and kind of wake up fully and bathe and all these things. So yeah, let's get ready. So it is now like 9:25, and this is officially the end of my day. I just already get dressed for work, so I'm going to leave now. I'm going to be there from 10 o'clock to like 6 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this a very short vlog. It's just like a simple day in my life. Wasn't all that hectic, but it was a little bit hectic for me in terms of like not getting enough rest, but what you gotta do. Okay, for now, bye.